You walk in here and you ask me, how long is it going to take to finish the implant? It's kind of an open-ended question. The journey of an implant starts long before you actually get the implant. If a patient walks into our office with an already missing tooth, our single most important thing is to discuss the whole journey with the patient. What needs to happen with this thing? You need to come into the office. We need to get the thing scanned so that we can see in what direction the implant needs to go. We need to plan the implant properly. We need to decide what type of implant do you need and what is the final outcome of this implant. Having an implant by itself means nothing. The dentist that does the implant must always have, the first thing that he must have in mind is the final reconstruction on that tooth. The implant is only the base for it, but if the base is incorrect, the final restoration will be incorrect. So that whole journey starts off with a proper scan, proper planning, implant selection, planning on our Navident to see how accurate we're going to do it, and then the actual surgery is a short procedure. It's a few minutes to actually place the implant. The implant takes a couple of weeks to heal, and then we start the manufacturing process of the tooth. In rare cases, we do see patients where we do an immediate load implant. That's a patient where everything is perfect and they've got one tooth that is for some reason is lost. The implant gets replaced. We've got an ideal position, ideal length of the implant, and we can then manufacture that implant pretty much in 3 hours. The patient walks out the door with a new tooth. The other side of the coin is the patient has got no bone, lost the tooth long ago, or had it recently extracted, is medically compromised, they've got almost no teeth left. Those cases are complex and we place multiple implants, we join them together and we plan a reconstruction on that. And that journey can take up to 3 months to complete. So if a patient asks us how long it's going to take, the short answer for that is we really need to see you to make that decision. And once we've decided what we need to do, then we can give you an accurate estimate of what will it cost, what is needed, and how long your journey is going to be to a final result.
Your dentist, your choice.